Alignment is the relation of parts of the whole of writing. Alignment or line of individual letters in the words to the baseline. Angular angular forms. Sharp, straight strokes that are made by stopping, and changing direction before continuing. Next is the arcade forms. Uh, Forms that look like arches, rounded, rounded, rounded or curved line above. Next is the characteristics. Any property or mark which distinguishes and document examination, commonly called as the commonly called as the identifying details. The next is the the next is the form, the writer's chosen writing style. Next is the garland forms. Uh, a connected a connected or rounded form as curved line at the bottom. And the next is the gestalt gestalt, a complete or a whole handwriting picture as correctly executed. Next is the grapho analysis, the study of handwriting based on the two fundamental strokes, the curve and the straight stroke. Next is the graph. Next is the uh, next is the graphometry analysis by comparison and measurement of handwriting. Graphology, the art of determining character, disposition, and amplitude of a person from the study of handwriting. Next is the hand lettering. So, hand lettering, any disconnected style of writing in which each letter is written separately, and also called hand printing. Next is the left hand writing. See wrong handwriting. Letter space, the degree of space left between letters. Next is the line direction, and the movement of the baseline along, slant, up and down, or straight, or across the page. Line quality, the overall character of the ink lines from the beginning to the ending strokes derived from a combination of factors including skill, speed, rhythm, movements, shading of pen, position. Next is line space, the degree of space left between lines. Next is the manuscript writing, a disconnected form of script or semi-script writing as the first step in learning to write. Margins, the degree of the space left around the writings and all four sides. Next is the microscopic examination. Any study or examination which is made with the microscope in the other to discover minute details. Next is the movement. The manner in which the writing pen instrument is mobilized by hand, forearm, or whole arm. Next is the natural writing. Any writing executed normally without any attempt to control or by disguise. Natural variation. These are normal or usual deviation found between repeated specimens or of any individual handwriting. Next is the pen emphasis, the act of intermittently forcing the pen against the paper's surface with increased writing pressure. Next is the pen hold, the place where the writer grabs the barrel of the pen and angle at which he holds it. Next is the pen position. Pen position, the relationship between point, the pen point and the paper. Next is the pen pressure. The average force with the pen contacts the surface paper. Next is the pen script, a creative and individualized combination of printing and cursive writing. Next is the proportion or ratio, the size relation between the and the short letter is referred as the ratio of writing. Next is the quality, a distinct or particular character along the related to the writing movement itself. Next is rhythm, the element of the writing movement which is marked by regular periodic recurrences of spontaneity. Shading is the widening of the ink strokes due to the added pressure on a pen point or to the use of a stub pen. Next is the significant writing habit. Any characteristic of handwriting that is sufficiently uncommon and well fixed to serve as a fundamental point in the identification. Next is the simplification, eliminating extra or superfluous strokes from the copybook model. Size may refer to the overall dimension of the writing or proportions between zones. Next is skill, is a relative to degrees of ability or proficiency being possessed by individual person. Next is the slope or slant, the angle or inclination of the axis of the letters relative to the baseline, and there are three classes: the slant to the left, slant to the right, and vertical slant. And the next is the speed of writing, the rate of velocity in the execution of writing. Next is the speed or speedy writing, an execution of of writing being interpreted as slow, moderate, or rapid. Next we have the system of writing, the combination of the basic design of letters and the writing movement as taught in school. Next is the tension, the degree of force extended on the pen compared to the degree of relaxation. Third form, an indefinite connective form that looks flat and wavy. Next is the variability, the degree to which the writing changes from modification of the copybook model. Next is the variation. Next is the writing condition of the physical and mental capacity of writer and able to execute and handwriting. Next is the wrong-handed writing. Any writing executed with the opposite hand that normally used right normally used. And next is writing impulse, the result of the pen touching down the paper.